Did you know your Ford is basically running in safe mode right now? Most owners never activate half of what their truck or SUV can actually do. And we're not talking about hidden buttons or secret menus. We're talking about 10 legit features that are already baked into your vehicle, waiting for you to turn them on. Some of them work from literally anywhere in the world. Some eliminate problems you probably deal with every single week. So if you bought a Ford in the last few years, and you're not using all 10 of these, stick around because you're leaving serious value on the table. Number 1, Ford Pass Remote. Start from anywhere. So let's start with the one that changes how you think about your key fob entirely. It's January. Your truck is sitting in a parking lot 3 blocks away, and you've got 5 minutes before you have to leave a meeting. You open the Ford Pass app, tap Remote Start, and your engine is already running before you put your coat on. Here's the kicker. This isn't some dealer add-on. It's free, it's tied to your VIN, and it's already waiting in the app right now. Your key fob tops out at around 300 feet. The app has 0 range limit. As long as your truck has a cellular signal, it works. Different time zone doesn't matter. The climate control kicks on automatically based on whatever settings you left it on, so the truck is already at 72 degrees by the time you get there. Number 2, free vehicle health reports on your phone. Now, most people find out something is wrong with their vehicle when a warning light pops on. And by that point, the problem has been building for weeks. Ford's vehicle health reports fix that. The app pulls data straight from your vehicle's onboard diagnostic system. Oil life, tire pressure, battery voltage, fluid levels. The exact same system a mechanic hooks up to when you bring it in. Did you know that most roadside breakdowns come from issues that were detectable weeks earlier? Low battery voltage, degraded tire pressure. Catching that early is the difference between a $20 fix and a $200 tow. And you can schedule these reports to run automatically, so it's just handled. Number 3, over-the-air software updates. Your Ford has probably already been updated multiple times, and you had no idea it happened. OTA updates push directly through the built-in modem to your Sync 4 system, your driver assist calibrations, even the powertrain control module on some models. The vehicle just gets better while it's sitting in your driveway. Ford rolled this out hard with the F-150 and Mustang Mach-E, and at one point an update added hands-free highway driving to trucks that were already on the road. Owners woke up to a new feature: no dealer visit, no cost. Before OTA, most people never got software updates at all because it required a physical service appointment. Check your update status under Settings in Sync. If something's available, you schedule it, plug in overnight, and that's it. Number 4, Ford Pass Rewards, points for service and purchases. Every time you take your Ford in for service and you're not enrolled in Ford Pass Rewards, you're just handing money back to the dealer for free. The program costs nothing to join, and you earn points on service visits, parts purchases, and even new vehicle purchases. A routine oil change and tire rotation earns enough points to knock real dollars off your next visit. Ford also runs bonus point promotions on specific services, so the value stacks fast. Did you know most eligible customers never redeem their rewards simply because they didn't know the program existed? Sign up through Ford Pass with your VIN and ask your service advisor about backdating points from past visits. Number 5, remote lock, unlock, and locate your car. You won't believe how many people buy third-party GPS trackers or those little Bluetooth tile things when their Ford already has a factory GPS system built right in. The hardware is already there. You're just not using the app on top of it. Remote lock and unlock works exactly like remote start does, through the cellular connection, so there's no range limit at all. The vehicle locator pulls your GPS coordinates and drops a pin so you can walk straight to it. It also logs your last parked location automatically. And if a family member or delivery driver needs access, you unlock it remotely, they grab what they need, you lock it again. You can also set alerts for when the vehicle moves outside a defined area, which is really useful if you've got a teenager driving your truck. Number 6, Ford Copilot 360 Advanced Driver Safety System. Copilot 360 sounds like a marketing term until you actually go into the settings and see what it's really doing. Automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise. These aren't just warnings, they actively intervene. Here's the kicker. Most owners never touch the settings, so the system feels either too aggressive or too passive, and they just turn it off. That's the wrong move. Lane keeping sensitivity, following distance, blind spot alert style. All of it is adjustable. Blue cruise on higher trims, handles steering, acceleration, and braking on mapped highway sections using a driver-facing camera to make sure you're paying attention. Dial in those settings, and the whole system completely changes. Number 7. Phone as a key feature on newer models. Your phone can already replace your key fob on newer F-150SC and Mustang Mach-E models. And most owners have no idea. Phone as a key uses Bluetooth Low Energy, so when you walk up and grab the door handle, it just unlocks. You get in, press start, and it goes. Your phone stays in your pocket the whole time. You set it up once in Ford Pass, and it runs in the background automatically after that. Did you know a replacement key fob at a Ford dealer runs anywhere from $150 to $400? You can also add a second driver with their own digital key and control exactly what access level they get, full access or unlock only. Number 8. Built-in Wi-Fi hotspot for passengers. Ford put a 4G LTE hotspot directly into your vehicle, and it connects up to 10 devices at once. It's not tethered to anyone's phone plan. It runs through its own built-in modem, so the signal is actually more stable than a personal hotspot, especially in areas with weaker coverage. Kids on tablets, passengers streaming, someone on a work call. Everyone gets their own connection without burning through one person's data. Setup takes about 2 minutes in the sync system. Here's the kicker. New Fords come with a complimentary data trial, sometimes several months worth, and most owners never activate it, so they just lose it. Check your connected services in Ford Pass right now because that free data might still be sitting there. Number 9. Trailer Backup Assist, F-150 exclusive tech. Backing up a trailer is genuinely one of the most stressful things you can do in a truck, especially if you only tow a few times a year. Here's the kicker. Surveys consistently show it's the main reason some people avoid towing altogether, even when their truck is fully capable. Trailer Backup Assist solves the hard part. There's a dedicated knob on the dashboard, and you just turn it the direction you want the trailer to go. The truck figures out the steering automatically. You control speed with the brake and gas, and the cameras track the trailer angle in real time. It also pairs with the 360-degree camera, so you can see everything around the trailer simultaneously. Number 10. Pro Power Onboard. Your truck becomes a generator. Some F-150 models have standard 120-volt household outlets built directly into the bedwalls and the cab. Not a cheap inverter, actual AC power. The 2.0 kilowatt version runs off the standard engine, and the Power Boost hybrid pushes 7.5 kilowatts, which is enough to run a full job site or keep your house going during an outage. You won't believe the math. A standalone 7,500-watt generator runs $800 to $2,000. Plus you're storing it, maintaining it, and hauling it separately. During the 2021 Texas winter storm, Power Boost owners were literally powering their homes for days when the grid went down. Flip the dedicated switch in the cab, plug in, and it works exactly like a wall outlet.